In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to download Roblox on computer. So first of all, open any browser on your computer and then search here Roblox like so. Then go to the official Roblox website like this. On this website, you need to firstly create an account. So for that, you can just fill all of your details here such as birth date, username, password, then choose your gender and your account will be created. But if you already have an account, then for that click on login from the top right corner and enter your username and password and then hit login and your Roblox account will be logged in onto this website. Once you logged in here, now to download Roblox, you need to go and open any of the game from here. So for the sake of this video, I'll just select this game and then tap on the play icon and now it will prompt you to download the Roblox game. So for that, they will give us this download button. We just need to tap on it and then they will automatically download the Roblox installer on our computer. Alternatively, you can go to roblox.com/download and on this website you will find this download button straight away. You can just click on it and the installer will be downloaded from here too. Now to install Roblox, we need to open the downloaded file into our computer, then double tap on the setup file and the installation process will start. In case if you are installing this game first time, then it will ask you for some permission, just allow them and the game will be installed on your computer. Then once the game is installed, you can sign up here with the account you have created. Now to make it full screen, you can press F11 key on your keyboard to play the game in full screen. So let's say I want to play this game, then I can just click on that game and tap on the play icon to play and enjoy the games you want. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.